Hey guys, it's me, Kaylee, and I have a special guest here.
Noelle.
I'm our friend, by the way.
Yeah.
We are going to be making slime today.
Okay.
So, I have this big bowl and this spoon, and she has
I have
that
a little
bowl and that
popsicle
tiny-
stick. Okay, this is what we have.
Okay.
Elmer's glue.
We have tons of glitter. Show them all the glitter we have.
We have 3 bottles of glitter.
And then we have some paint.
We have
You can't see it.
like we have 4 colors: purple, black, yellow, and blue. And then we have lotion.
to make it soft.
And then you have shaving cream. That smells good.
And we have Mod Podge.
Okay, I don't think anyone's put Mod Podge in their slime before, but it actually makes it pretty good.
And then this is the borax and water together.
Yeah. So like,
Oh, we also have the beads over here in this big
the
tube, which I'm not going to
beads.
show you because
Yeah.
there's so much of them.
Okay, let's just not show them. I'll just show them what they. These
Yeah.
little flown beads.
There's so many foam beads.
So yeah, in the borax solution, there's 1 cup of hot water, and then and then 1 teaspoon of borax, and you have to put it in and let it
2
dissolve.
times.
Well, I have 1/2, so it's
Oh,
like basically
yeah.
1 teaspoon. Okay, who's saying?
Okay. So
Let's
we're going to
get
pour our
started.
glue in.
First, pour glue in. Take our spoon out. Let's not use all of it because I may.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna like.
That was your idea.
I know.
Because
I
I got you
have a lot
all.
left, so I have this much left, so that would be a lot.
What are you going to do when that's enough and then you're going to be like,
I accidentally put water in mine before, but
oh, wow.
that's fine. You can like do it where it lines up all. Like make sure it lines up half, because that's how much I put in. Oh, geez, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more.
You add it because I don't want to use
Oh,
a lot.
jeez. A little bit more.
Okay.
Okay, so we got the glue part down. Now the shaving cream. Hey! Don't use a lot because I'm
Is that
almost
good?
out. Here, let me shake it.
Oh.
Use a little bit
Tell me
more.
when it's enough.
Okay. That's good.
No, it's you. It's like basically out. And now do we put the foam beads in?
Not yet, no. We put it in after. We make normal slime first and then put the foam beads in. Okay. I'm gonna add more first.
Oh, this smells really good.
Okay, that's good. Now, time to mix. I don't know how I'm gonna get through this not being so messy with my little popsicle stick.
I told her, why don't you get a bigger one? She said, I want this.
I like my popsicle stick. Because I've
Oh,
seen
that
lots of
smells so
people do
good.
little popsicle sticks on big bowls, so I was like, why can't I do it? But now I know why. It's hurting my fingers. Mix well. We're making fluffy slime, by the way, with foam and glitter, and we're making a different thing of slime. So we're gonna make Valentine's
this is
Day
already
slime. We're gonna make
different.
Valentine's slime. I can tell.
This
I need a. Okay.
I'm gonna put in. So first is the glitzy. The glitter.
Wait, we have to do the coloring first.
Oh yeah.
What color are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna do blue. Don't put a lot because we barely have any. What? Okay, there we go.
Good. 2 little drops. Now I'm gonna start.
Oh jeez. Let's make it like a sky blue.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. A sky blue. Oh wow.
Oh wow, this looks good. It looks so pretty, guys.
Mine looks so pretty. You can't see because all the thing you can see is white to the side of the glue.
Because you have like so much more glue. Oh, it's hard to do with.
Oh my gosh. That's like really light.
Here, you can add more if you want. Here, you can do it. I have only one hand. Okay, that's fine.
That might be enough.
Ooh, I like this blue, Kaylee. Do you like it?
Oh wow.
I like it.
Oh, I
like
like the colors when you mix them in. Look.
I know, they're so pretty. Your blue was like so light.
Like you could barely tell it was blue.
It was like a tinted blue.
No, I feel so bad for you, because you have to use that little spoon.
But it's actually fun to do it with this
Well,
little
half of
box.
myself feels I'm not sorry because
'Cause
she's the one who wanted to use
I'm
it.
the
and I
one who
said,
wanted to
why
use
don't you
it."
use a bigger one? She said, oh, I got something. I said, no, Noelle. She was like, yes, Kaylee.
But I wanted to do it. I actually like doing it because it feels cool.
Not the glitter.
Okay, now glitter time. I'm so
Wait,
bad.
maybe
We're
I'm
gonna
gonna add
add-
a little purple to it.
Oh yeah, that'd be pretty. I am too.
Oh, and it's glittery.
It's glittery. What time
Oh,
is
that's a lot.
Yeah, it comes out fast. Oh no.
Oh my gosh.
And it's not coming out at all from me. Oh jeez. Just look. Ooh. Oh my gosh, Kaylee, look at that. Look
I
at
didn't
that.
add a lot.
I wonder what blue and purple mix together make.
I don't
Man,
think
you
that's-
need to add so much more.
I don't think that's
Mine
a
looks like
color.
lavender. Like, doesn't that look so pretty? Like when it's not all mixed in and there's little lines.
Yeah.
It looks so pretty.
Is that enough?
Yeah, it's good. I think. I'm not sure.
We'll just keep adding it in.
It looks like lavender.
Oh wow, it
I
does.
swear.
I bet it's gonna make a. Oh my gosh.
I hope it looks
It keeps
good.
turning back to blue. Oh, it's making
Mine's
like
turning into purple.
Yeah, mine's making a tiny bit of purple. Oh, that's like a.
Oh,
pur-
mine's making pink.
Look, mine's making a tiny little purple.
Mine's making pink.
Mine's making like a light
dark
purple.
pink. Mine's making like a weird dark pink. I'm trying to get the blue that's on the top sides. Like, yes, Tanger's kicking out the camera. Mix. I'm gonna add a little bit. Should I leave it like this really pretty light purple or add more?
I don't know.
I'm gonna just leave it like this because I really like it.
How am I supposed to get this out? It won't come out.
Just,
Just do this.
yeah, that's how I
Can
got
we get a
mine.
little spoon or something like that? Oh, can
No.
we use this?
Oh yeah, sure, you can use it. Okay, I'm gonna add the glitter. Well, I'm gonna wait for her. I'll add it. I'll mix while you.
Here, this is what I got.
Oh, good.
Oh,
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
I'll just mix that in at the last second.
Actually, I know what you can do. You can, when you put in the solution, you
yeah,
can just
get it off of this.
Okay, I think that's the best
I'm
it's
gonna
gonna
set
get. I think that's the most purple it's gonna get. Mine's like a lavender purple, which I absolutely love.
Oh no, there's more purple. Cool. There's more purple.
Tell me when you're adding the glitter, cause I'll add it when you add it.
Okay, I'm adding the glitter.
Okay, I am too.
Okay, I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna add
red
the purple first. I add so much glitter.
Oops.
That's more.
You spoke too late. No.
No, I spoke too early.
Oh yeah, too early. You spoke too late.
Hi.
You got a factory going on over here?
We're
Yeah.
making a YouTube video.
This is cooler than touching it by itself.
Yeah, I
I kind of like this better. That's,
Really?
Yeah.
I decided to
'Cause
color
it's
it.
not all
No,
like-
you're gonna make it burst.
What do you mean?
Maybe. I'm not gonna put it in the
So
room.
this is
Oh,
like-
jeez.
No, this is like Tempur-Pedic.
And when it bursts, you have slime in your face.
Yeah, you wake up with blue all over your face.
Okay. Time to.
Oh, I'm in the Vigia?
It's a YouTube
The
video.
video?
Okay, I'm ready to add the solution when you.
Oh, thanks for putting my jacket on the ground.
Sorry.
How did you open this? Oh,
Tongue at the top.
that's good.
I added it. See, I hate that type of sparkles because it like turns into what is this? Like
Mine's good.
yeah.
I
Okay.
didn't add as much as you did.
Yeah, I was like,
She was like, let's go overboard.
let's go overboard.
That's her middle name is Overboard.
Yeah. That's totally a lie though. But it's so true.
It's
A lie, but it's oh jeez.
What is your middle name?
Elizabeth. I've said that. Let's add our lotion now.
Oh my god!
I'm adding the lotion.
Oh, it's so cool.
Come on. Okay. I swear.
Okay, I think that's enough glitter.
Are you gonna add
Hey, when I get done, I'll mix
Lotion.
this into the slime.
Okay.
Because I barely have a
Yeah.
wig.
Are you gonna add lotion.
Yeah. Oopsies.
Because I barely have any left. Okay.
Here.
What you have to do is like... No!
Okay, I'll add him.
Yeah. No! I'll just add it on my list.
Add it, please.
I'll put borax on it at the end. I'm losing a lot of slime. Just, it's fine.
Oh.
Jeez.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez.
Wait, did we already add? Yeah, we added shaving cream.
What were you gonna say?
I was like, did we already add shaving cream? Tell me when you're ready. Oh no,
What does
the solution's born. Okay,
does this
that's
do?
it. That's good.
Okay.
I don't know. I just like it. Okay, I've added my solution. Did my okay. That was a lot at one time.
Oh my
that's all
gosh,
I'm gonna.
I gotta start pulling.
That was a lot at one time, but I think that's good. I think that's all I'm gonna do.
I'm gonna take this out for
It's like I love that part when I'm watching slime videos. I love the part where it just all comes together. I love watching it where it just all comes together.
Gonna add a
If
little
that makes
more red.
sense.
Cause this red don't show up well in blue. Okay, that's
Now mine's more blue than purple. I'm gonna add more purple dye real quick.
it's right here.
You hogging my dye? Come on, dye. Oh, I got some on my hand.
Oh.
We'll be back when we're done mixing. And not working. Okay, so we just mixed it more and put in more solution. So now we're working it with our now we're working it with our hands. And we want it a little sticky for the foam beads. I don't know.
Mine's not sticky.
I don't know if I'm gonna add foam. I'm not gonna add foam beads.
Me neither. Let me just try a little.
Okay, just do a little bit. It sticks to your hand. Just put it on. No, put your slime in your bowl. Oh my gosh, this is hard.
Yeah, because I think I added.
I said make it a little sticky.
Is this good?
So the foam beads could stick, yeah. That's so satisfying.
Oh, it works, Noelle. Oh, it's also getting my other slime out. Thank you, Dee.
Hi. I love making slime.
Oh,
I'm gonna add more shaving cream. If it could take any more. Oh my gosh, that looks like milk. Ew.
or shaving cream that's melted.
Oh, I think it is. Oh, that's disgusting. I hate when you add shaving cream after you actually made the slime and it's so gross.
I know.
And like, it makes the color of the slime so foggy. So, the color of mine is like a really pretty lavender,
Yeah,
but
but you
on the
can't
camera it shows a blue. Like, come on!
Oh, that's so bad. I have to stand up. And what? I can't even see. You can't even see me. Oh wow.
Go follow me.
Dad.
Oh, wow. Go follow me at Horse Gymnastics. That's my YouTube channel, but I won't be posting.
Always
Even though
plugs.
I already have a lot of YouTube videos, but I won't be posting anymore.
Wow.
Because I got a new phone and I just haven't.
Oh, I forgot
I'm
about
gonna be
this.
making a new. Oh yeah, add it in, girl.
Oh, and add
I'll add
purple.
this in. I'll add the lotion in that I spilled, that I dropped into my slime.
And then how?
I know how to make it less.
Yes, because I
hard.
didn't add lotion in it.
I'm gonna make it less hard. Yeah, add lotion in it.
I never even added the lotion because she dropped it. Hey, were we recording when you dropped it?
When I drop, yeah.
Yeah, if you guys seen that,
Wait,
just
wait,
watch
wait.
it in replay.
Your slime is hard.
Yeah,
boy.
don't add that.
No, it's water,
Oh.
and it'll make it. Just massage it.
Here, I want to play with yours.
Hey, you're gonna get beads in it. I don't want beads in it.
I don't have beads on me.
Oh, you just have glitter. Okay, well, just massage yours. Just keep on adding hot water.
Ew.
Keep adding hot water to it. I know it's gross.
It won't stick no more. No, you're making my camera fall. Now the beads are coming out. Really?
Okay, I'm gonna take mine. Oh no, but you have beads all over, so I can't take mine out and do all my pokiness. It's making fun. Tomorrow, do you want to go for horse time?
Yeah.
Today. Well, yeah, we're going today, but to see my horse.
Oh yeah.
see my horse tomorrow.
I
We're having a sleepover, so we may go tomorrow to the barn where my horse is. Hey!
I want to hear your song.
You have
Oh, yeah. Okay, this song is still.
You have 4 beads. You got 4 beads. I'm so mad.
Should we move to a place
Yeah.
where we can have the cleaner table?
Yeah, sure.
And then we can
Wait.
come back down after we're doing cleaning.
Yeah. Oh boy, this video is 15
Should we go
minutes
live?
long. Oh my gosh, we should.
15.
15 minutes? Okay, she's gonna do something satisfying with her slime.
We could just set
These are our finished slimes.
No, I added too much Marge Podge to mine.
Okay, video mine now. She see it.
Like,
Okay.
wait, right there.
Okay. It's very pretty lavender slime, but it probably looks blue.
We're gonna make some new slime.
Lively.
Yeah, we're not gonna do it yet. Get these bees out of my fingers.
Hey! I don't want to be.
Don't even look that.
Are you start crying?
A bag to put
Bye. Subscribe, like, share, comment.
Don't forget to like, subscribe,
Oh yeah.
and comment down below that you